Start when Al says, hey, I'd like a little figure right here. And then I've done turtles so much that there's a plumbing line coming through that we've placed molding. You know, I put a glob of cement right there in the middle to form the basic underbody. Then I put blobs for the feet, and then I very carefully put a blob around the plumbing hose. You got to hold it a little bit because it tends to slip off. And then once that kind of gives you a hard base to work with, you put another layer of concrete for the shell and kind of shape that around over the underbody that you have. And then you just gently add layer upon layer, just little layers, and you rub it in to get you the form. Then you take your little, I take my little carving tool and just carve kind of the fine detail lines. Got my little handy brush to brush off the dust. And my lighter to, there's fiber in this cement to give it strength. So I don't know if you've ever seen a hairy turtle, but this one is. So I take the lighter, and as I work, I just gently burn off the hairs. The hairs pull the concrete away, so you want to... I've started adding marbles for eyes, whereas I used to just kind of make another little round blobs of concrete. So I think as I've done, I can't even count how many turtles I've done, but you know, it's a continual learning process. You know, it's just another improvement that we continually seek to do here at Legendary Escapes. None of our projects we're 100% satisfied. We're always striving to do better on the next one.